AI isn't just for tech bros, it's your new side hustle cheat code. No coding, no experience. Here's how to make $100 a day with tools you can start using today. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to write a weekly newsletter about a niche, productivity, wellness, sports, whatever you care about. You get polished content in seconds. Next, design a clean branded template using Canva. Add your own flavor, some color, a logo if you want, and boom. It looks official. Now list that service on Fiverr or Upwork. I'll create a branded, AI-powered newsletter for your business. Businesses need content. You've got the tools. Use Zapier to automate delivery. When a client orders, your system sends out their newsletter with no extra work from you. Set it once, let it run. Or flip the whole thing into your own product. Post weekly newsletters on Substack. Sell them as templates on Gumroad. Now you're getting paid two ways. This is how you make $100 per day with free AI tools. No fluff, no cap. Try it out and subscribe for more plays from Quiet Money TV. Stay smart, stay silent, stay paid.